Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max is going to be a fantastic phone since it has even more enhancements and features than we had anticipated. The first article of the day is about a patent that was found from Apple and is called spatial composites. The patent now details inserting elements like metal and ceramic within the casing in order to increase the resilience and scratch resistance of their products as well as reduce the likelihood of dents. The iPhone's durability is going to increase significantly as a result of this, but because the patent was only recently awarded, it won't be ready in time for the next iPhone 15. Thanks to the upcoming iOS 17, we have excellent news about new features coming to the iPhone 15. We'll soon have access to live voicemail, which will allow you to read your voicemails on the lock screen in text form and even answer the phone if you think it's an urgent call. We've created a new standby function that, like the stand mode for the Apple Watch, will show you quickly if your phone is charging in landscape mode. Updates to the keyboard's autocorrect feature, the ability to FaceTime using Apple TV, interactive widgets that can now be controlled straight from the home screen, and more are all now available. We have some unfavorable price-related news to report, and reliable expert Dan Ives predicts that Apple will increase the price of the iPhone 15 series. Dan's prediction is that there would be an increase this year, mostly due to the iPhone 15 Pro models, even if the price has stayed relatively stable for a few years. His source suggests that the Pro models might see price increases of up to $200, which would cause the iPhone 15 Pro Max to start at $1,299. Given that the non-Pros use a chipset from the previous generation and are hence fairly comparable to their predecessors. Although the non-Pro iPhone 15s will get the new dynamic island, I would anticipate that there would only be a slight increase for them. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.